Hi guys, today we're read a book, Maya Angelou. When Maya was little, she and her brother were sent to live with their grandmother in Arkansas, Kansas, USA. Maya was very shy, but a friend of her grandmother's showed Maya wonderful books and how the words come alive when you read them out loud. Maya found her voice in the stories and poems of great writers. She loved words so much she read every book in the library. When, even though Maya was a great student back then, it could be difficult for Black people to find a good job. But she had pride and hope. She thought there's nothing I can't be. And she was right. She became a dancer, a singer, and an actress. She also became the first Black female streetcar conductor in San Francisco. She traveled the world and became a journalist and an organizer for equal rights. Years later, she decided to be a writer, so she began writing about her life. She told stories of a girl who struggled but didn't give up. People all around the world were moved by her power, powerful words and stories. She became a famous writer, teacher, and speaker. There is. And she inspired everyone with her belief there's nothing you can't be. If you wrote a book like Maya, how might it look? Decide the cover. Can you make up a story of your own? Do a story for your own, guys. Write down 3 words below. They can be anything you like: things, places, animals, or people. Now use your imagination to think up a story that uses all 3 words. When you are really tell your story to somebody. The end. Bye, guys.